Hi guys, it's been a minute, huh? But welcome back to the channel. My name is Natania. Happy New Year, all the good stuff. I'm gonna make another video and just kind of let you guys know. But we did something. It's not unexpected, but it's unexpected. So we finally picked up the carpet. It is so good. If you guys can hear, right now there's a lot of echo back, like noise when we talk. It's just, it looks so different. It feels so different. So you guys, what it's like just having a blank canvas. It is, number one, it is motivating. It is inspiring. It is refreshing. So I'm very much excited that we did it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like without any furniture, and then come back and talk to you guys a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to ask, just get into it more. You can ask me more questions. So hold on. So we could not find the exact same thing that the builder used, so we went as close as possible. And this one have like a nice matte flat look to it. Over time I started using some sort of polish on this. I think we're gonna maybe start polishing this, or maybe get this back to be flat as this. We're not quite sure. I'll just keep the two different shades, but it looks so good. The furniture looks good in this space. It makes me just, oh, it's so good. So good. So we did 3 rooms. We did the front room all right here. So what I'm thinking is like, I just feel like I want to change things up. I'm going to. But this is it for right now, okay? But as you look down, oh. Okay, this is the dining. So what I did, I had to take down all the Christmas decoration, move things out. So the house is not yet reset. This is the dining area, which this was my biggest pet peeve of the house, that why would the builders put carpet in the dining room? Who does that? It bothered me for the entire time, but I stayed the course. Everything looks so good. So welcome back. So good. So good. And I'm really thinking, do I really need carpet in here? It's really nice. I think the new chairs I'm gonna get, just make sure it doesn't scratch the floor, but I do like it without a carpet in the dining area. Comment and let me know. I'm going to take down those 2 sconces and get something more modern. Hold on. So I'm not quite sure I'm going to change out this light fixture. I think it's one of my favorite light fixture in the house, and it goes really well with the wallpaper. But definitely those sconces coming down. I want to take these down, but when Alex installed it, he literally kind of glued it to the wall. So I know taking them down might damage the drywall. So not quite sure I want that headache right now. So I'm thinking about that. I'm thinking about it. But this is it right here. So nice. So nice. I know my house is a mess, but I'm just gonna show you different things. So good. So good. Now here's a big change. Look, so freaking nice. So these curtains coming down, I think I'm going to get either some really thick drapery or do what's it called, shutters. Yes, finally this is coming down. We're gonna have it centered. We're selling this. We're moving this to the basement. And honestly, I believe now having the hardwood floor, the wallpaper looks better on it. I think. Let me know. I think. But look at it. You see this dust right here from all the stuff they was doing. So this is what it is. Alright guys, so I'm back to my client's house where I'm working on her guest bedroom. I'm just trying to get a layout of what the space is gonna look like and feel like. I have an idea what I want it to look like, so I'm just trying to do this while the contractors are working downstairs. One thing about being an entrepreneur or starting your business, just being a small business owner, you gotta do everything. So I'm just literally doing my best here to just do what I can by myself, and then when I do have help to capitalize. But it's good. I'm not complaining. Hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Clearly, I'm struggling with this mattress, but you know, your girl, I'm gonna get it. You know, I'm gonna get it. This is a part of my work because I've been working nonstop lately. So being able to do these things just keep me active. But it's such a beautiful thing when someone find you and decide to invest in you and just start giving you a chance to do something that you love. I'm so grateful for my clients for this opportunity. So this is one of my largest projects, you know, being a stylist. But I'm really excited. Thanks guys for your support. All right guys, so just prepping the space. I'm going to get a bed skirt just to cover the box spring, right? So you can look, it flows better. Or I might just get like a fitted sheet and just cover it up. Not quite sure, but that's gonna be covered. I'm torn between using this beaded arch mirror here, just kind of mix metals a little bit, or using something more matchy. So I'm not gonna tell you which direction I'm leading. You guys are gonna see it in the end. But for right now, the bed is up. It's not yet styled. This is coming out. I'm gonna bring in a chair, do something on the wall. But the next time you see the space, it will be completely done. And honestly, this is gonna be her guest room. So it's beautiful, and we have to. I love this color. I really do love this color. It's really pretty. It's kind of a knitted woven thing. I got this bedding from CB2 outlet, Bar outlet, and I'm gonna put a blanket over it. Really pretty.